Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to round down a number in Python. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you have a number with a bunch of decimals and you'd like to round it down to say 2 decimal places. So I'll be showing you how to round down a number in Python today. Check out the video description as I'll try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I'm just going to assign a number to my variable x. Okay, so that's my number with a bunch of decimal places. And now Python has a function to round down a number, so we're just going to be using that. So let xx be round, so that's the function that we're using in Python. And then the first input for this function is the number that you want to round down, so x, and then the second input is the number of decimal places that you would like to round this down to. So let's go with 3. Great, so now if I print xx, it should give me the number rounded down. So as you can see here, it's rounded down this number to 3 decimal places. And that's basically it. If you wanted to know how to round down a number in Python, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.